Okay, Bree asked to see some of the first ones on our assignment from today's classwork. So the first one is y equals 1 over x plus 2. Vertical asymptote, x equals minus 2. Horizontal, always y equals 0. Chart, 0. When you zero out x, you get 1/2. Zero out y, it will never equal 0. And when I put in 10, I get 1/2. I mean, 1/12. Sorry. So that gives me a starting point that is positive and small. I cross the 0, 1/2 point. I have to go up. I'm not going to cross and go down. I have to, when I'm far away from the origin, like at 10, I'm going to stay above the asymptote, the horizontal asymptote. And then I play jump across the asymptote. It was going up, now I'm going from down. Slash, slash. Alright, so the next one, it works very similarly. The vertical asymptote is 3 this time, drawn right here, horizontal. And the starting point is 1/7. It crosses at negative 1/3, which is about there. And slash slash again. Alright, this one starts with a negative, so we're expecting a little different pattern than the first two, but the basic idea is the same. The vertical asymptote, -2, where this zeroes out, always for the horizontal, drawn in. The point I'm starting with, well, I noticed that 0 minus 1/2 is graphed, and 10 minus 1/12. So this time we're starting with a small negative number. And so I hit the point and bend down toward the asymptote, jump the asymptote, slash slash. Here we are, 3 minus x, vertical asymptote at 3, horizontal always y equals 0. The x-axis. 0 yielded a 1/3, and my starting point is negative and small, so I'm on this side of the x-axis, bends down, up, slash slash. Alright, so that's 30. 36 is a volcano, because we learned about repeated factors. Because that's squared, it's never going to become positive if it's never going to become positive if it starts negative. It's never going to become negative if it starts positive. So let's just graph it and see. The vertical asymptote, x equals 2. Horizontal, oh, I forgot to dot that in. It is the x-axis. Now, the point that I can find is when x is 0. Putting in a 0 there gives negative 1/4. So negative 1/4 is graphed right there. And my starting point is negative 1/64. So I come from a very small negative number and down. The reason I don't play the asymptote game, jump the asymptote game, is because we have a squared factor. So I'm not going to be able to if this is, because that's squared, it's going to keep the same sign. This one started negative, it's going to stay negative. It creates a volcano upside down. Alright, 139, I'll just show you how it factors, and let's see what you can do with it. I believe we set one up like this, similar to this before your classwork today on the board. And we'll do this one together, give it a try. Here's the factored form of this one, which please let me know if you can't get those factors on your own, and we will discuss it. And 42, notice that has the same factor in the numerator and the denominator. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Alright. There's still a video tonight other than this. This is just some additional aids to help you with your daily work. Alright, hopefully it is helpful. Carry on.